friends, today we're at Howl'O'Ween at Chessington, and of course you can see me and Harry are Harry Potters, except they didn't have the thing on his head. We're going to see if we can get the scars put on soon, but
we forgot, didn't we?
yeah, and the bat and the wolf is out there, so we're going to go. We think it's the wolf, don't we?
We're going to have a look, shall we?
Yes.
Ew, it's ugly.
They're advertising for the Christmas event because that's it. It's the giant light up flying away.
But we're only Harry Potter.
Oh my god, Harry, you actually look like Harry Potter in that.
No, es perfecto, yo lo
No, I mean...
They'd be simply terrified of all the children! Tementus alert. Paradis might be scared of any child inside in 3, 2, 1,
Chessington World of Adventures has begun. Beware of awakening scary spooks and look out for plenty of treats hiding around every corner. We hope you have a wickedly wonderful day beyond your wildest screams.
We just watched the witch's opening ceremony in Adventure Point, and it was very short.
Good though?
Yeah. So while we walk down this way, we'll see if the Trick or Treat Woods is back this year. Yeah. And here's Creepy Caves, literally right next door.
Hello everyone. I'm Violet. I wasn't really expecting to see many people out on my travels today. I just flown down and I'm not really sure as to where I am. And between us, I'm a bit scared of Halloween. It's full of tricks, scary creatures. Oh, whoa! Hello everyone. It's so good to see you all again. You're all looking spookier than ever. Oh, I just love Halloween. And even more so now that I've learnt to howl. I've really been practicing. Oh! What do you think, everyone? Is it good? I found all of the ingredients apart from one. If I remember correctly, the ingredients are devil fruit and spider venom.
I have used stitching denim, free from snakes and dragon scale, something long, a lizard's tail, something small and great, a rat.
Now all we need is fur of bat.
Where's she going? Let's keep going, let's chase her.
Where are my manners? My name's Wilf. I'm probably the friendliest wolf you'll ever meet. And this is Veronica and Cora. And we've been friends for ages. What is it, Violet?
Oh, it's nothing. It's just, I'm scared of Halloween.
Scared of Halloween? It's my favourite time of year.
A strange noise. A scary figure in the darkness.
And you cannot hide. Yeah, you gotta face it, baby. Feels so fun living now.
You see? Oh, I'm just not sure about it.
But we're here with you, Violet. We'll look after you. Won't we, everyone?
I don't know what just came over me, but I had so much fun. That was amazing. Wilf, you were right. The music and the dancing really is the fun part of Halloween, and I'm sure I can get on board with the sweets.
Okay, Violet, since your favourite thing about Halloween is all of the dancing, would you like to dance some more?
That sounds like so much fun. I would love to dance some.
Everyone, thank you so much for joining us.
Yes, thank you everyone.
Oh, look at his little nose. Look, one's gone up. We saw that one. That one that you just saw. You can see them underwater. See them. See that one just sticking out. There's one. So there is 3 of them. Did you see how he came out sliding?
I did.
I think he might be hungry, calling for some lunch.
Yeah, maybe.
It's food street. Yeah, and they put a temporary stage in it. At the start of season, the Jungle Bus was closed, but a couple of weeks ago, they reopened the Jungle Bus. So they're going to open again? But something's gone. The cars used to be there, but they've moved them over there so they could remove the Jungle Bus.
Are you ready?
Junior. Oh, and look,
Skylar?
what have you been given there?
It
You gonna behave
says
to me?
goat
Good
fat
girl.
file.
Oh, so this is a goat. And what does it say?
It says that goats have rectangular pupils.
Oh, what are the chances? This is perfect. My spellbook says that we need the cornered eye of a hoofed and herded intelligent life.
Well, that's handy because my fact file says a goat has exactly that.
And it says that we need 2 bleats and a mass from the same body.
Well, that's handy because my fact file says that the noise a goat makes is called a bleat.
Oh, marvellous. Please can you keep the goat safe and sound?
Oh, we can't put this goat in our potion. Its buddies will miss them.
Oh well, I suppose you're right. Oh no, it can't be. Surely not.
My fact file says that this is a skunk.
Oh, the luck of all the wild fishes is on our side today.
Listen to this. I have some more facts here. And it says here that skunks can spray an extremely pungent liquid as a defense mechanism. The scent smells like rotten eggs. And the scent is so strong that it can smell up to half a mile away and can linger from even days to weeks.
Oh, well, that's perfect, because my spellbook says that we need the fur of an animal with an aroma so pungent that it can be scented for up to half of a whole mile.
Well, that's handy because my fact file says a skunk has exactly that. Listen to this. A group of ferrets is called a business. And ferrets are crepuscular, meaning that they are most active at dusk and dawn. And their vision is best suited to these low lights and times of day.
It can't be.
Oh, it can.
It won't be.
It will. Oh, just stop and look!
Oh, a ferret!
Yes, a ferret! A female ferret can have over 260 babies in her lifetime.
Oh, it's written in the stars that we will finish our potion at nightfall after all.
Hello, everyone. My name is Frankie the ferret.
Good gracious me, this ferret speaks English. What a wondrous surprise.
Yes, I am quite the catch. But let me tell you a little bit about myself. When I'm excited, I perform what is called a weasel war dance, which has a series of leaps, sideway hops, and bumping into nearby objects.
Oh, wow.
Such an act is not a display of an aggression, but in fact an invitation to play.
Oh, incredible.
We made the right decision not to put the animals in our potion, but now we have an incomplete spell.
I have an idea. It might not be as bad as you think, Junior. So we've gathered most of the potion requirements enough to make the spell. We just need a little helping hand to help strengthen it.
Oh, of course! It's your time to shine. Pansy, you tell them what to do and I will get the testing station set up.
Okay, is everybody ready? Oh, I said, is everybody ready? Ready? Number 1.
Chessington! Oh, you can be louder than that. Number 2. Chessington! Wiggling those fingers.
Number 3. Oh, that was exhausting. I do hope it worked.
It's time to find out. Adventurers, if you really are special and this has worked, then when we put our solution in our potion, magic will happen. Is everybody ready? Yeah! 3, 2, 1.
Oh, wow! It's worked!
And now we have a solution for our potion!
Thank you so much for your help, adventurer.
Yes, I had so much fun learning about the animals with you and making some new friends.
Look how it turned red. There's red food colouring at the bottom.
What do you think? You don't think it was magic?
We know every magic trick in the world.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah. But even though we missed half of it, the others gone into room on the room, but I didn't want to today, so I stayed out. But I don't get why they turn the smoke thing off when they've got the broom stuck out there. We're doing quite well today because we have 3 more shows to see. We have Room on the Broom at 3:15. Don't we, Mummy?
Yeah.
And then we have Trick or treat. Trick or treat live at 3:30 and Banyan 3:30.
And trick or treat.
Trick or treat 4:30.
We'll try and fit
This
it
is
all in,
actually
aren't we?
just the costume. 'Cause look,
Are you not the real Harry Potter?
no, that's Harry.
I thought you were the real Harry Potter.
I'm not the Harrier, but
Silly
we
me.
can't be the actual Harry Potter today because no magic wand, no magic.
What time is it?
Sweet time.
Chocolate time. What you got, Riley?
So I don't want to write an everything. We're gonna meet the nice witches. There's only 2 of them. Treetop on canopy coppers. Canopy. Riley, be careful. I got the viewers here. I got the viewers. Yeah, we'd really appreciate it. Oh, boys, we'd really appreciate it if everyone could subscribe. You do go this way. Because we do. Anyway, let's go.
Where's Sissy going?
Are you a YouTuber? Yeah. Are you recording a video? Yeah. Was it about? So make it a YouTube channel. Come on out, let's go. I'm out. Let's go. Let's record me on this obstacle. So, it's all right. Yes, sir. Should I go in front now? Yeah. Guys, if you don't know, I don't know Catherine. Hi, Mummy. Hi, Nanny. Hi, Holly. I'm stood above your head. Here we go. What? What's your YouTube name? Twins Trio. Twins Trio. Yeah, Twins Trio. Ready? Go this way. This way. Then go straight to the exit way. Oh look, we can see the word of Jumanji. There's the station. Come on. Put down in the comments if you've been Chessington and never thought.
Give you a clue. She wears a black pointy hat, a bow in her hair, carries a wand and flies through the air. Who do you think it may be, everybody?
Name on the green!
That's right, it's Witch from Room 2, 3. Iggity, ziggity, zaggity, zoo! Wow, well done, everybody. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Chessington World of Adventures. Have you all had a good day today?
Yeah!
Brilliant. Okay, well, my name's Ali, and I'm here to meet a very special friend of mine. Can you guess who it is? I'll give you a clue. She wears a black pointy hat, a bow in her hair. She carries a wand and she flies through the air. Who can it be? Yes, that's right. I've grown her cauldron to make some hello, which is so nice to see you. The woods are very busy today, aren't they? It's worked! Thank you, Witch. Let's have a look inside. It's a game. Would you like to play a game with me?
Yeah!
First animal be? Shout it out. Cats, well done. And what noise does a cat make? Meow. Well, yes, that's right. The same colour as bird. You've already guessed. Yes, frogs, ribbit. Well done, everyone. Okay, well, I don't know if there's enough room on the broom for a creature as big as this one. Who could it be? Dragon. Well done, everyone. And what noise does a dragon make? Can you all do your loudest roars for me after 3? 1, 2, 3. Well done, everyone. Oh my goodness, it's worked. Oh my goodness, it's a scroll with magical instructions on it. Thank you, Witch. This is going to be so useful. Scare the dragon. You must flap your wings, bare your teeth, stomp your feet, and do your loudest, scariest. This is wrong! Oh, well done, everyone. That was really good, wasn't it, Witch?
We're going round the zoo.
Hello, Ranger. Take the wheel. You're on
Why
an
for the camera?
adventure through the rainforests of the world to spot some of the animals that live in the rainforest there. Be sure to
Why for the camera?
really large yellow beak. Did you press that button?
Yeah, I know. The whole bracket.
This is what baby elephants. Let's take shelter of that house in that.
Yeah.
Look at the cheeky monkeys that have raided our cow.
Riley, why have you raided the cab?
Not me. Store.
Who did it then? You're a cheeky monkey.
In the corner. Yeah. That one's the biggest. It's awake. Tiger! It's eating rotten carpet.
What time is it?
Ice cream time!
Perfect. I've been expecting you. So I hear you heard all the winds on the westerly winds. We're not scared of you or your spooky tracks. Dare speak out of turn. Come forward. Show your face. Come on, Emily. Let's go. Sorry, what? You really want to go in there? A maze full of scary creatures and spooky scenes.
Which way to the candy? This way! This door looks friendly! Good shout! There's nothing scary about this door. Let's go! So maybe the witch is in a canyon behind here. You're right. This could be the one. Calling all the money. We're hunting you. We're wanting to. Fight all the monsters gonna dance. Coming in off with your head. Dance till you dance. We're closed. What are you doing here? You need to leave. The dolls, they're alive. While I tell them, I always feel like somebody's watching me. A bit psycho, a little bit psycho, and not a freaking. I'm on my psycho, and not a freaking. I'm on my. We have Emily. Sweet sugar Candyland. It's Friday, come and Hollywood and pie. We drank champagne and we danced all night. Sweet hungry sugar soda can't eat me. Sweet hungry sugar soda can't eat me. Everything that we desire. Set the autumn sun on
Many years ago, in a rainforest village, amongst the macaws and the monkeys, the tigers and the tapirs lived the elephants. Thus, the circle of 8 were enlisted. The strongest warriors of wild Asia. Welcome to your life. The bravest protectors of the land. There's no turning back. The ones who will do whatever it takes. We are the Circle of 8. There's a room where the light won't find. So glad we've almost made it. So
That looks yummy, Riley.
Yeah. We just came out and it's really, really dark. Have a look at the sky. It's so dark, Robin. Have a look at.
We all turn to Frankie Pigeon, and we take our hat, and we put it to our head, and we go, aye, aye, Captain. Aye, aye. Oh, that definitely deserves a sticker.
So all the stickers will get you cards. How many cards?
There you go.
Are you all wizards?
He's got his costume, but
I mean, you look very similar. Are you the same person?
Yeah.
It's a mirror, we said.
Have you been cloned? Is this witchcraft? Wow.
So yeah, we're twins.
Larry and Barry Potter.
Oh, wow.
Larry and Barry
Have
and
you
Harry
had a
Potter.
good day today? You have. What's been your favourite part of the day?
he's the Harry Potter.
Oh, and is your name Barry?
What's been your favourite part
And
of
your
the
name
day?
is Larry.
No, right.
Sea star. Did you go on a boat?
Larry.
So are you pirates?
Harry.
Barry. Or wizards? What about pirate wizards? No.
But you do like the pirates at Legoland, don't you?
Oh, can I have a high five then?
Thank you.
Can you tell me, do you know any magical spells?
Oh, what does that do?
You haven't cursed us, have
Oh,
you?
we're going to turn into frogs, are we?
Oh, will we? Well, not lizards, will we? Will we turn into lizards?
Oh, what have you done?
Are you nice wizards?
Oh, so we've got abracadabra over here.
Abracadabra. Oh, there's another one.
What's that
You're not
gonna do?
cursing all the spell books.
Oh,
Oh, good, that's
That's
fine.
we like spells that do nothing, don't we?
What are you about to go do now? Oh, it sounds like you have had a busy day. Yeah? I hope you have a lovely day. You do need some sleep so you can do some more magic tomorrow.
We charge our magic
Starting to come out.
Oh, that is a very good sign that you need to get to your bed, isn't it?
Remain seated and keep your arms and legs inside the boat at all times.
They're not pink.
What are they? Goats.
We've had a great time. Also, we get a great year in Chessington for now, because it's our last visit of the season till Christmas. Yeah. And we've had a great time. So next time we come, it will be Christmas. And they got the appetizer out. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Ghost!